So I just came across this library called py-pglite, and it's blowing my mind. It brings in-memory PostgreSQL to your Python tests. Like, wow.
Right? That's incredibly useful. Just imagine not having to set up a full PostgreSQL installation just to run your tests.
Exactly. It's like having all the speed of PostgreSQL, but without the hassle. I mean, an in-memory setup? Who thought of that?
It's genius. Plus, it's compatible with SQL Alchemy and SQL Model out of the box. That's a game changer for Python developers.
Wait, seriously? It just plugs right in? That's wild. So you can run tests like they're nothing?
Yes, just add a few fixtures and you're good to go. It's all about speeding up your testing workflow. I mean, I could use this.
And it automatically manages the database lifecycle for each test. I can't imagine the time saved during debugging.
Right? That means every test runs in isolation with a fresh database, so you won't have to deal with leftover data messing things up.
Oh, totally. The automatic cleanup is a game changer. Talk about sanity-saving measures for developers trying to keep tests reliable.
And it makes writing tests for complex operations so much easier. You can just focus on the logic instead of the setup.
Exactly. I was looking at some examples, and the ease of creating tests was just impressive. It feels like it could reduce developer load significantly.
Absolutely. Plus, think about integrating it with Fast API. You could mock an entire endpoint without a heavy database setup.
Oh man, that's such a good point. You could go from developing smoothly to testing everything without any friction. It's like a perfect storm.
And all those utility functions for managing data, like cleaning up, resetting sequences, super handy.
It's almost like it anticipates the needs of developers. You can just plug it in, and it's ready to go.
Also, the fact that it runs on Node.js is pretty surprising. Who would have thought a Python testing library needed that?
Yeah, that's one of those unexpected twists, but I guess it's essential for getting that in-memory PostgreSQL action rolling.
If you think about it, it bridges two worlds, the fast-paced JavaScript ecosystem and the robust Python backend. That's such a clever combo.
Oh wow, that connection really puts into perspective how versatile this tool is. It's like peak integration.
Totally. And the idea of contributing via GitHub, it opens up the community for improvements. It's about sharing the load.
That's refreshing to see. It makes me want to dive in and see how I can contribute. Be part of that thriving community.
Same here. Just imagine being part of crafting something that could help simplify development for so many people.
Exactly. And you know how quickly it could become a go-to tool for testers? It's all about minimizing barriers.
Right. And the intention behind better testing practices is so needed in today's fast-paced development world.
Speaking of fast-paced development, imagine how much quicker releases could be with this streamlined approach.
Exactly. Developers might actually get to focus on building rather than troubleshooting every little issue. That's inspiring.
I never thought about it this way. It's like unlocking a new level in software development, more freedom to create.
Totally. And when you can run complicated tests without the overhead, innovations can happen faster. How cool is that?
Right? It's a breath of fresh air for teams stuck in the mud of traditional test setups. This could be transformative.
There's something so invigorating about shifting paradigms like this. Makes you rethink the possibilities, doesn't it?
Exactly. So if we put all this together, a super fast testing framework, community engagement, and ease of use, what does this mean for the future?
I think it means we're moving toward a more unified, efficient development process. Developers could finally have their time back.
Wow, now that's a thought. Freeing up developers to innovate rather than just maintain. That changes everything.
Right? And think about it being open source. People from all backgrounds contributing ideas. Imagine the creativity.
This is making me rethink how I approach testing altogether. I can't wait to explore more about py-pglite.
Same. With all these possibilities just waiting to be tapped, it's a great time to explore testing tools.
So, what about diving deeper into how we can use this in real projects? I bet the applications are vast.
Absolutely. I think the sky's the limit here, especially for anyone looking to optimize their development workflow.
Let's definitely dig into that in our next chat. This is blowing my mind, and I'm here for it.
Me too. Can't wait to see where this takes us. Until next time, keep discovering.